Welcome to GSS Information Channel. Let's start today's video. Generative AI and AI assistants are rapidly transforming how we work, especially in creative and technical fields. These technologies use machine learning models to automate and assist in tasks that traditionally required significant human effort, such as coding, writing, and design. Here are key details about some of the tools making an impact. 1. AI code assistants. AI code assistants are tools that help programmers by suggesting code, fixing bugs, and even generating entire code snippets from natural language prompts. Some prominent AI code assistants include GitHub Copilot, powered by OpenAI's Codex. This tool assists developers by auto-completing code in real time, making suggestions based on the context of the project. It supports multiple programming languages, allowing developers to work faster. Codium and Tabnine. These tools similarly provide real-time code suggestions, enhancing productivity and reducing errors by understanding the intent behind the code. 2. AI image enhancers. Generative AI is revolutionizing image editing and design by allowing users to improve image quality, add features, and create designs with minimal effort. These tools leverage AI to sharpen blurry images, enhance resolution, and automate design tasks. dall by OpenAI and other AI-powered tools can generate completely new images from text descriptions, making design processes easier and more creative. AI logo and tattoo generators are also trending, allowing users to generate professional-quality designs based on prompts. 3. AI writing tools. These tools assist with content creation by generating text, summarizing information, or enhancing existing writing. Some key AI writing tools include ChatGPT and Claude AI. These conversational agents can write essays, generate articles, and assist with summarization, making them valuable for both casual users and professionals. Grammarly. While not purely generative, Grammarly leverages AI to enhance writing by providing grammar, style, and tone suggestions. Jasper and Writesonic. These are popular generative AI tools for marketing copy, blog writing, and other content, helping users create engaging text quickly. 4. Generative AI in creative fields. AI is significantly enhancing creativity by automating design and content generation processes. From creating music and artwork to generating text-based content like books and advertisements, these tools are reshaping industries. DeepArt and ArtBreeder. These platforms allow users to create stunning visuals with AI by blending various styles and elements. Novel writing tools. AI models like GPT-4 are now capable of assisting authors by generating entire plot lines, character development suggestions, and even dialogues. Impact on creative and technical fields. Generative AI is democratizing content creation and technical work by reducing the time, skill, and resources required for high-quality output. Industries such as marketing, software development, design, and publishing are adopting these tools to streamline workflows, increase productivity, and foster innovation. Overall, the rise of AI assistants in both creative and technical fields is enhancing human capabilities, allowing users to work faster and more efficiently across a broad range of tasks. Thanks for watching.